Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is Monte Carlo simulation or analysis. Today's topic is very interesting with respect to project management and PMP certification. If you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is an important topic and you will see this topic in the exam. So let's start, friend. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. What is Monte Carlo simulation? First of all, see friend, Monte Carlo simulation or analysis is a technique which we use for risk analysis, and based on that we do the quantitative analysis and take the decision making accordingly. Basically, Monte Carlo simulation is a computerized mathematical technique that allows people to account for risk in quantitative analysis and decision making. The technique is used by professionals in such widely disparate fields such as finance, project management, energy, manufacturing, engineering, research and development, insurance, oil and gas, transportation, environment. Basically, in these types of field we use the Monte Carlo simulation. It's a computerized based technique and we do the simulation by using different variables, different scenarios. We do the computerized simulation and then we analyze the risk, different factors, and take the decisions accordingly. How actually the Monte Carlo work? Monte Carlo simulation perform risk analysis by building models of possible results by substituting a range of values, a probability distribution for any factor that has inherent uncertainty. It then calculates results over and over each time using a different set of random values from the probability function. Depending upon the number of uncertainties and the ranges specified for them, a Monte Carlo simulation could involve thousands or tens of thousands of recalculations before it is complete. Monte Carlo simulation produces distributions of possible outcome values. This is the way how actually it works. Now, what are the advantages? First of all, results show not only what could happen but how likely its outcome is. First, graphical representation is there. Graphically you can see the result. Sensitive analysis with just a few cases. Deterministic analysis makes it difficult to see which variables impact the outcome the most. In Monte Carlo simulation, it's easy to see which input has had the biggest effect on the bottom line results. Scenario analysis, it determines models. It's very difficult to model different combinations of values for different inputs to see the effects of truly different scenarios. Using Monte Carlo simulation, analysis can see exactly which inputs had which values together when certain outcomes occurred. This is invaluable for pursuing further analysis. Correlation of inputs, in Monte Carlo simulation, it's possible to model interdependent relationships between input variables. It's important for accuracy to represent how in reality when some factors goes up, other goes up or down accordingly. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.